Next step will be to manage our data, and this is one of the most important things that this FireAdmin offers. So when I click on an element, I can click on the first item as a link or click on the pencil button. I'm seeing a detailed view of my event or my item. And here I see different fields. This is a regular text field, this is a text area. As you can see, this is an image. This is a date and time field, and so on. And in order to manage how it should handle different types of fields, we can do that in the app.js in the config folder. And here we will see the file field types. So we have photo, datetime, date, time, maps, text area, HTML, radio, checkbox, and dropdowns. So as you can see, this field photo was converted into photo, so I can select a photo from my computer and will be uploaded directly to Firebase storage. Because the name is a photo, it directly converts it into a photo field. If I remove it, it will be no longer a photo field, and it will be just a regular, you see, string. I'll put that back, and I think you will understand the other types of field. This is date and time. As you can see, that's why our field start is date and time, because the name matches with our list of fields. One really powerful component is the HTML component, where I can write directly HTML. This is good, for example, if I'm having some content-based system. And so we don't have any field with that name. I will create another one. Let's say content. Oh yeah, let's say another field. Let's define it first. Define it as website data, and let's say just for start. So it needs to be some kind of HTML. Okay, as you can see now it's added, but it's not a HTML component. So I will put in the HTML array. I will put my name, that's website data. As soon as I update the admin, it will be a HTML component. So I can save it, I can write different, I can use all the HTML tags and things like that. And it's automatically saved. You don't have to click, nothing special. Yeah, so in general that was regarding the field types. One other special type of group, special field types are the radio box, checkbox, and dropdowns. And we have predetermined value that could be selected. So option for select belongs to these three different types. And I can have keys and values per different item from here. And for example, in my data here, I have one field that is type, and yeah, let's make it checkbox, for example. So in the checkbox, I will put a type, and this is really general type, but for example, you can define it as a type of music or things like that. Key, I will use type, and for options, I will say music type, I will say dance, jazz, rock. And when I update the component, I'll be able to select dance, jazz, or rock. Because this was a checkbox, I can move it to drop down. It will be like a selection. Yes, and when I make it a radio, it will be only one selection available. Yeah. So yeah, that's it regarding the fields. With with really small changes, you can make it look the way you like it.